Did you know that if you're an iPhone user, by the way, as well as a MacBook, iPad, et cetera, any Apple devices, you can set up not only recovery contacts, but you can also set up legacy contacts. And a legacy contact is someone you trust have access to your data in the event of your death. Let me show you how you set up both recovery contacts and legacy contacts on your iPhone. So the way you do that, you go to settings. In settings, click up top where you see, in my case, it says Teddy Burris, Apple account, iCloud. And there's sign in and security. On sign in and security, click on that. Then you scroll down a little bit, you'll see there's recovery methods, and you'll see I have 3 recovery contacts. If you click on that, now I have actually I only have 2 right now, but if I hit add recovery contact, add a recovery contact, someone you trust to help you gain access to your account when you forgot your password or device passcode. And there it is there at the bottom. Choose a recovery contact, and you're going to choose this contact from the contacts that are in your cell phone, wherever they are. In my case, they're in my Google contacts. That's recovery contact. Now, the other thing that we have is we have legacy contact. A legacy contact is someone you trust to have access to your data in your account after your death. So you click on legacy contact, and I have 2 in here, and I can add another one, add legacy contact. Again, this person is going to choose someone you trust. This person will be able to access the data stored in your account, your iCloud, upon your death. Share your access key. You can send an access key now or print and save a copy for later. Your legacy contact will need this key and a copy of your death certificate to access your account. And the last thing is pass down your digital legacy. You can share your legacy with people you care about through photos, videos, notes, documents, personal information that you've stored in your iCloud. And I can go add a legacy contact. And again, it's going to look for those contacts in my contacts on my iPhone, whatever the contact system they're in. In my case, it's Google Docs, but it could be iCloud or any other tool. I recommend that you have at least 1 recovery contact, and I recommend that you also have at least 1 legacy contact on your Apple device, on your Apple account. I am Teddy. My purpose is to help you overcome the risks and fears of using technology, and I hope this information is useful to you and your loved ones.